how to delete your Facebook page. So from your main account, if you just navigate yourself down to the drop down arrow and go down to manage page, the next window, click on that page. You may have more than one page, but if you just click on the page that you want to delete, it takes you to the page, and then on the top right hand corner, click on settings, and then go all the way down to the very bottom of this list where it says remove page, and just click on delete your page. And then there's another link where it says permanently delete work insight, which will be the name of your page. Click on that. A window will pop up. Once you delete a page, you will not be able to get it back. If you think you'll want to come back to your page in the future, you can unpublish it instead of deleting it. Are you sure you want to delete? Once you click on delete, it's deleted. So once you've clicked that, your page will be deleted.